Welcome to our channel. Today, we take a deep dive into an American classic that has left an indelible mark on automotive history, the legendary Pontiac Firebird. From its bold design to its thrilling performance, the Firebird is the epitome of muscle car excellence. Let's uncover the legacy of this iconic car. Segment 1. A timeless design. Footage. Walk around of a vintage Firebird, focusing on its aggressive grille, signature hood scoops, and sleek body lines. The Pontiac Firebird's design is nothing short of iconic. Its aggressive front fascia, low-slung body, and bold styling made it an instant classic. From the signature Firebird logo to the sleek curves, this car was designed to turn heads on the streets and command attention on the racetrack. Segment 2. Power under the hood. Footage. Close-up of the engine bay, transitioning to the Firebird accelerating on an open road. Under the hood, the Firebird delivered power that defined the muscle car era. Equipped with a range of V8 engines, including the high-performance 6.6L V8, the Firebird roared with power and unmatched torque. Its responsive handling and impressive acceleration made it a favorite among car enthusiasts and drag racers alike. Segment 3. A legacy of performance. Footage. Vintage racing scenes and modern restorations showcasing the Firebird's evolution over the years. The Firebird wasn't just a car, it was a statement. From the Trans Am models built for high-speed thrills to the limited edition variants that pushed the boundaries of design and engineering, every Firebird has a story of performance and passion. It became a symbol of American ingenuity and the golden era of muscle cars. Segment 4. The Firebird's cultural impact. Footage. Clips of the Firebird in popular movies and TV shows, alongside interviews with fans and collectors. The Pontiac Firebird wasn't just a car, it was a cultural icon. Featured prominently in movies like Smokey and the Bandit, it became a symbol of rebellion, freedom, and power. Even today, the Firebird remains a favorite among collectors and a source of inspiration for car enthusiasts worldwide. Segment 5. The Firebird lives on. Footage. A modern restoration of a Firebird, showcasing how enthusiasts keep the legend alive. Though Pontiac has closed its doors, the spirit of the Firebird lives on. Through restorations, custom builds, and fan communities, this legendary car continues to ignite passion and nostalgia. It's more than a vehicle. It's a testament to the power of design, performance, and timeless appeal. Closing scene. A Pontiac Firebird parked under a glowing sunset, its emblem catching the light. The Pontiac Firebird isn't just a car, it's a legacy. A symbol of power, style, and American muscle that continues to inspire generations. Ready to take a ride